Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen of Truckers Wall of Shame Unchained? Welcome back to your Daily Trucker Debrief. A reminder today that green light doesn't guarantee a safe intersection. In Amarillo, Texas, a fuel truck was traveling through an intersection when a pickup reportedly ran a red light. The impact was so violent it pushed the tanker into the ABC7 television station, causing major damage to the building. As professional drivers, we can't assume other motorists will obey traffic signals. Even when you have the right of way, take a quick look left and right before committing to the intersection. That extra second could be the difference between driving away and becoming part of the next headline. Drive smart, stay defensive, and I'll see you next time on the Daily Trucker Debrief.